Okay, my kitten, Nessie, will play fetch. Just like a dog. She will literally, okay, with bread ties, and she will literally put it right back into your hand. Okay, are you ready? She's been trying to get up here forever. Are you ready? She also wags her tail when she's happy, just like a dog. Aren't you a bizarre little kitten? Yes, you are. You're so bizarre. You're so bizarre. Okay. Go fetch. Put your hand up like this. She drops it sometimes, but she'll bring it back. Okay, I got it. You gotta quit playing with it, and I'll throw it again, okay? No, you gotta wait till I throw it. Go get it. She has a hard time dropping it in my hand. She does it. She does do it. Hopefully I'll get it. You want it? You want it? She does it better with the black one, but I don't know where it is. I threw it and I can't find it. Come on. I can't throw it till you bring it back to me. No. That one. It's right there. I can't throw it till you bring it back. Right there. She's like, no, we played this game for hours last night. I'm done. Okay, maybe you just don't like the yellow one. I've got one blue one left. Hopefully we can find the black one of these days. Oh, what is this? It's just a blue one? It's just a blue. Oh, look at that tail. She's like, oh my god, it's a blue one. Go get it. You're getting lazy with bringing these back now, kitten. Go get it. Okay. You ready? Are you ready? No. Okay. Go fetch. Fetch. You don't bring it back no more. Okay. Maybe if we throw it over here. What are you doing? That's not where you bring it. You want the big one? You want the big one? Okay, we can try the big one. Big twist ties. Oh God, you just tore it right out of my hand. Nope, you don't want the big one? You hear someone at the door. You hear someone at the door. Here, go get them. You don't want to play right now, do ya? He's like, no, I need a nap. I need a nap. Yeah, we'll try again at 6:30 in the morning when she's bouncing off the walls, I guess. You know, cats do that when they're mad, but she does that when she's excited. Kitten. You want to play Attack of the Dolphin? Do you like my dolphin? My dolphin? Attack. Oh my God, what was that? Was that my attack, dolphin? I am attack, dolphin. Attack, dolphin. Yum, 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 yum. She's like, don't film me, I don't like this. Here, let's throw the big one. Let's see if you can get the big one. She's like, now I'll attack my dolphin. Now I'll roll around with him. Go get your dolphin. No, you just want to play with the camera, don't you? A little bit short on my hand, kitten. You just dropped the soap, Kitten. You attacking me now? There's something out there. I don't know what it is. It's bothering her. She's like, Mommy, throw it again. Throw it for me. Please, throw it for me. Alright, I'll throw it for you. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Almost got it. You're like 4 inches too short. Come on. Who will get it first? Kate or Kitten? Or my alarm clock? That was the must get on trickster. Come on. Alarm. So I must leave this video for now. Yeah. Say goodbye, Kitten. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to everyone. Everyone in the whole world is watching you. Say goodbye. Hmm? She's like, goodbye, world. Wait. Must play with my thing. Must lay down. Say goodbye, Kitten. Say it. Say it. Say it.